Hey, today we are bringing 17 quick and easy Mehendi designs 2023. The deep black hue has an edgy and contemporary vibe, perfect for any parties or celebrations you have planned. This Mehendi design holds deep meaning, reflecting the essence of the festival. It combines floral motifs with modern geometrics, lines, dots, etc. This fusion style matches well with the outfits you wear on festival. Mehendi concentrated just on fingers has a delicate and feminine charm. From rings, dots, lines, vines, paisleys, and beads, you can get diverse finger Mehendi designs to highlight your nails. Contemporary minimalist Mehendi design. These designs have a classy and modern appeal, be it single lines, strokes, geometric shapes, or trail Mehendi. Minimal Mehendi is perfect for any event. Jewelry has a bold presence in Mehendi designs with patterns inspired by heart fool, bangles, armlets, etc. Jewelry Mehendi makes a striking impression. You can get your hands adorned with intricate lotus patterns or mixed with vines, leaves, etc. Lotus Mehendi adds grace and elegance to the overall look. Vine Mehendi trails cover the length of your hands extending to the fingers. You can keep the vines simple or embellished with leaves, flowers, dots, etc. Portrait Mehendi has become a popular choice with skilled Mehendi artists recreating photos on their hands. This makes for a sentimental and personalized design. Rajasthan is known for its grand, elaborate Mehendi designs. Rajasthani Mehendi extends to arms and legs with intricate patterns involving flowers, peacock motifs, and paisleys. This type of henna art has a traditional royal feel. Arabic Mehendi patterns are known for their free-flowing lines, geometric shapes, and bold strokes. They have a very contemporary and trendy look, perfect for special occasion. Glitter Mehendi designs. These contain fine glitter that is mixed with the Mehendi cone. From minimal patterns to elaborate shapes, glitter Mehendi ensures you dazzle on this festival. They have a traditional appeal that goes perfectly with the essence of Raksha Bandhan. You can get a mandala pattern done on the palms or back of your hands. Who like minimal designs? A simple bracelet pattern works well. You can keep it clean with fewer embellishments or use dotted lines, leaves, or flowers to highlight the bracelet. This type of design is quick and easy to make. Jal designs comprise geometric patterns and crisscross lines that extend to the fingers. They are a popular Arabic Mehendi design that looks trendy and unique. The repeated pattern of the Jal design symbolizes the strong bond between a husband and wife. You can keep it simple with vines extending to your fingers or make it more elaborate, covering the entire hands. The floral vines can include roses, lotuses, marigolds, jasmine, and other flowers of your choice. You can get this done on the palms or back of your hands. Peacocks represent vibrance, beauty, and grace. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Tell us of your favorite design in the comment below. I will be back in the next video.